Okay, exercise 13.2, question number 7. A solid consisting of right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder if radius of cylinder is 60 centimeter and height is 180 centimeter. Okay. So again, imagination. First of all, we have to think solid consists of cone standing on a hemisphere. So basically, the figure is this way. There is a hemisphere. On it, there is a cone. Okay. Height of the cone is 120 centimeter. Okay. Radius of cone is 60 centimeter. Okay. Then, and hemisphere, radius of hemisphere is also same, is placed, and this combination is placed inside a cylinder. Okay. This cylinder is full of water. Okay. And cylinder this way. Okay. So this will also be 60 because it is radius of hemisphere. Okay. Now, so first of all, we'll find the volume of cone. Okay. Volume of cone, let it be V1 equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h, r1 square h1, and 1 by 3 will be finding in terms of pi only. R radius of cone is 60 and height of cone is 120. Okay. So this will be 3 4s are 40. Okay. So this will be 60 square into 40. That is 60 into 60 into 40. That is 144,000 pi centimeter cube. This is volume of cone. Okay. Now volume of hemisphere, let it be V2, that is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. And radius of hemisphere is also 60. So it is 60 cube. Okay. So when you will solve this, it is basically 2 by 3 pi into 60 into 60 into 60. So 320. This we have to multiply 60 into 60 into 40. That is again 144,000 pi centimeter cube. Okay. Now we have to find the volume of water left in the cylinder. Okay. And okay. And now we'll find the volume of cylinder और उसमें से volume of cone और volume of hemisphere subtract कर देंगे. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, pi r square h, pi, let it be pi only. Radius of cylinder is 60 square and height of cylinder is 180. Why it is 180? Because cylinder is beginning from its height from here to here. So it is 120 plus 60, that is 180. Okay. So this when we'll multiply, it is 60 into 60 into 180. Okay. That is equal to 648,000 pi centimeter cube. Okay. Now we have to find the volume of water. So now volume of water left out in cylinder. Volume of water left out in cylinder. Okay. Let this be volume of cylinder be capital V, will be equal to V minus V1 minus V2. Okay. सिलेंडर में से कोन का वॉल्यूम और हेमिस्फीयर का वॉल्यूम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. दैट इज इक्वल टू 648,000 पाई माइनस 144,000 पाई minus 144,000 pi. Okay, this both we got here. Volume of cone and volume of hemisphere. Okay, now this will be 360,000 pi centimeter cube. ये जब subtract करेंगे pi we can take outside, so this will be the volume of water left. Okay, now if we substitute this pi, okay, this is also correct. अगर इसको मीटर क्यूब में कन्वर्ट करना है, or if we have to substitute the value of pi, then we can substitute 360,000 into 22/7 centimeter cube. Okay, so into 22 divided by 7, that is equal to 1131428.57 centimeter cube, or if we have to convert it into meter, it will be 1.1314 meter cube. When centimeter cube is converted to meter cube, it is divided by 10 to the power 6. सेंटीमीटर क्यूब को 10 to the power 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो वो मीटर क्यूब में ऑब्टेन होगा, क्योंकि सेंटीमीटर क्यूब कंप्राइजेस ऑफ 3 डायमेंशन, सेंटीमीटर इंटू सेंटीमीटर इंटू सेंटीमीटर. तो हर को अगर मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं तो डिवाइड बाय 100 3 times we are doing, that is 10 to the power 6. So this is the answer.